We guide you through how to update your location on Spotify and change your Spotify country in just a few simple steps. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you're connected to a VPN set to the country you want to change to, because Spotify updates your location based on your IP address. Once connected, open your browser and log into your Spotify account at spotify.com. Then, go to the account settings and scroll down to find country or location section and save the changes. If you are using Spotify with a family or duo plan, ensure the address matches to the new country. After that, log out of Spotify on all devices, reopen the app, and log back in so the new Spotify country updates takes effect. This method helps fix issues like unavailable songs, wrong charts, or region lock content. And once done, your Spotify location will stay updated as long as you continue using Spotify in that country.